Okay, this is how you make a foundation single crochet row. You start out by chaining 2. And as you normally would for a chain row, you're going to make your first stitch in your second chain from your hook. So you go into your chain, yarn over, pull up your loop. Now with a regular single crochet, you would yarn over and pull through both loops, but you're not going to do that. What you're going to do is you're going to yarn over and just pull through one loop. That creates the chain you need to make your next stitch. Then you yarn over and pull through both loops and finish off your stitch, and that's your first foundation single crochet stitch. Now you go to that loop that you made right here, you go into that, yarn over, let me bring my hand back, there we go, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over again through that first loop to make that chain for your next stitch. Then you yarn over again and you finish your stitch off. Now you have 2 stitches. Again, you go into that loop here that you made, yarn over and pull through, then yarn over again and make your chain for your next stitch right there. Then yarn over again and complete your stitch. And you just keep doing that. Keep going into that chain you made, yarn over, pull up your loop, yarn over, make your next chain right there, then yarn over again and complete your stitch. And you just keep doing that until you get the amount of stitches you need for your foundation row. And that's how you make a foundation single crochet row.